I have some lights in from FAHREN. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. These are some H11 bulbs. They will be replacing the low beams in a 2015 Camaro. That's a Camaro that takes actual headlight bulbs and doesn't have HID lights set up. No, Foreigner LED light. Foreigner LED lights from FAHREN. So in the box we got some gloves. That's to wear when handling the bulbs, so skin oil doesn't get on them. Okay, let's see what it says. For some vehicles with function of lighting fault detection, there may be problems such as dashboard error, light flickering, bulb won't turn on, etc. If such problem occurs, please contact us to obtain a decoder. Okay, cool. And they have their email address on the bottom, support@fahren-auto.com. And on the back, we got different types of lights depending on your year, make, and model, and bulb size. Got some O-rings, backup O-rings. Okay, so the O-rings are on the lights. Cool, so we got a set of 9005 bulbs and some H11 bulbs. And we got something else in the box. Take the gloves off now. I won't be handling the bulbs just yet. I would like to take them out. Get a good look at it. The 9005 bulbs. And the H11 bulbs. Okay, cool. We got some product information here. Like there's a free LED upgraded program. Scan the QR code or email us to become our VIP customer. You will be enrolled in our free LED upgraded program. New release bulbs can be offered to our VIP customer. That means you will be able to upgrade your bulbs at an extremely low or even free of charge and enjoy the latest LED technology applications. And they have their email address on the same email address, support@fahren-auto.com. Scan the code to become our VIP customer. 1. Extend 1-year warranty. 2. Join our free LED upgraded program. 3. More surprise activities await your participation. And we got some product data. These are steps and instructions for installation. And you can register for an extra 1-year warranty. That's cool. LED lights with warranty. So that's everything that's included in the box. We have the bulbs themselves, and I wasn't even expecting 2 sets, so that's pretty cool. So there's bulbs, there's gloves to handle the bulbs for installation. We got product data, VIP access, and then backup O-rings. These came from fahren-veh.com. I put in my year, make, and model of my vehicle and some other information, and it showed me a selection of lights that be compatible for my car, such as these. I have the Fahren Forenner Type Q26 H11 LED bulbs. They did come with some 9005 bulbs, but I used the H11s. And besides getting products, you also get some customer service and warranty with these lights. Now on to the installation. The low beam is accessible from twisting a little plate off in your little cover. Let's see if I can get a light. Okay, this is where the low beam is. Twist on that cover, and it comes off. And then we have access to the light. So I'll be able to put my hand up in there, twist, and the bulb comes out. Now I'll take one of the new bulbs, plug it in, and then twist it into the socket. Then I could take this dust cover and put that back in place, like so. That was the passenger side. Now to do the same thing for the driver's side. I'm gonna point something out right now. The difference between the H11 and the 9005 is the connectors. See what we did. These lights and lights like these can be found on fahren-veh.com, and a link is in the description.